Hello, salam and namaste. This is Asad Virani and I welcome you to yet another tech. No, this is not a tech video. Tell me, which is that one important thing you should not forget while leaving your home? Is it your mobile? No. Is it your car keys? No. It is this, the mask. Why do we wear a mask? The mask helps prevent viral transmission and it's also mandatory as per the law. So, why this video? In this video, we will compare a few masks available in the market and do a couple of tests on them to see which ones are more effective. For this video, we have got a few masks to test them out. First is the surgical mask. Second is a local cloth mask. Third is a branded cloth mask. And a certified N95 mask. You wear a mask so that it acts as a barrier to prevent air exchange between you and the outside world. So if after wearing a mask you are able to blow off a candle, it can be a sign that the mask is not effective. For the blow test, we'll need a candle. So let's start with the first mask, the surgical mask. Fail. Next is the local cloth mask. Fail. Next is the branded cloth mask. Pass. And finally, our friend the N95 certified mask. Pass. The second test we are going to do is the water retention test. The primary use of a mask is to prevent viral transmission of water droplets. So let's do a test to see if your mask can retain water in itself. Fail. The local cloth mask. Fail. The branded cloth mask. The company that manufactured this mask says that it has 3-layer protection just as an N95 mask. However, the N95 mask has a 6-layer protection. Pass. And finally, the N95 mask. Pass. So these were a few tests to check whether these masks are effective or not. I know we are all bored wearing the N95 mask and we want a change. So many people are taking the risk of being more fashion conscious than being health conscious. So researchers have now come up with a new idea wherein you use a double mask. How do you wear a double mask? Let me show you. Take a normal surgical mask and wear it normally. Adjust the nose pin. And on top of that, you wear the fashionable cloth mask. Now, to wear a surgical mask also, you need to make sure that there are no holes at the sides. So, to prevent that, just twist the earlobe and make sure there are no holes to let the air pass in or out. On top of this, you can wear your cloth mask. This will help in double filtration and save you from the virus. Now let us see if the double mask passes or fails the blow test. Neither pass nor fail, but it's quite better than the single mask. And now let's do the water test. Fail. You can now see that we did two tests on four types of masks and two of the masks failed miserably. And these two have turned out to be a clear winner. I will leave this on to you to use your own judgment to select the correct mask for yourself because your health is your priority. So, my friends, stay home, stay safe, and if you ever need to move out, please do so only if it's very important and make sure you use the right type of a mask for yourself. Thank you.